Hey guys, what's up? This is Adrian. I am doing this video for my good friend and the guru himself, Mr. Daryl Dexter. So, a little story about Dexter. I actually met Dexter because I was surfing through Facebook and I saw a free video that he had posted on his YouTube channel um, about lead generation. So I hit him up. I actually had done lead generation myself. Um, had previous experience with taking Facebook users to a landing page, um, the type form, basically the whole Billy Murphy thing. Um, and everything was good. My cost per acquisition was a little bit high. It would average from anywhere from $30 up to 75, depending on the state. And then I met Mr. Daryl. He taught me a couple things. I paid him. He had two options. Either one, I could let him run the ads for me, or he could teach me. So I ended up paying for his services so he can teach me. He taught me. This was about a year ago. I was baffled at how he made everything so simple. I was overcomplicating things with landing page type forms, the pixel and all that. Now I learned his way of doing things, and his methods allowed me to scale my business. I went from doing five, eight sales, door knocking in my area to now being able to run a call center team, a small call center team, and we just strictly do phone sales. Um, so let me show you a little bit of what I'm talking about. So this is my ad spend last 12 months. As you can see, it's 48 grand. It's not much. I know there's people that spend that in a month. Um, so my ads here, I got a couple of campaigns running actively right now. Um, $2, $1.84, $3, $4, $2, $4. So Daryl dramatically helped me reduce my cost per acquisition, but also my cost per lead. Okay, and with Daryl, basically the last 12 months, I was able to do this. Um, Here's my bank account. Last 12 months, I generated um, almost half a million in commission. So thank you, Daryl. Keep doing what you're doing, man. And if it wasn't for you, I'd be stuck, door knocking um, out here in the hot Texas sun, man.